What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're going to talk about a couple things regarding the new channel name. Let's get right into it. Okay, so to make this video pretty short, I've had the channel name Athena Off-Road for close to 4 years now. Originally, the channel name was A&M Off-Road. And originally, when I started this YouTube channel, I wanted to basically have a lot of off-road videos once I fixed my 400EX. But that has long since been sold, and I no longer have it. And most of my videos have kind of just been working on stuff. So I think that I'm going to be changing the channel name to Athena's Garage. I think it better represents the channel. I mean, I don't really do off-road content. I don't really, have riding videos, and I don't have the equipment to do riding videos. I don't ride very often anymore. I really actually enjoy fixing things, working on things, and showing you guys how to do things. I am not a mechanic. I've learned all this stuff myself, so I just think it's more appropriate of a channel name than Athena Off-Road. So I think from here on out, the channel's new name will be Athena's Garage. Now, I'm not going to be re-uploading all the old videos with the new channel name, so they will have Athena Off-Road in them as the intro, and I may say Athena Off-Road, but any videos from this point on, I will try to use Athena's Garage. I have several videos that I've already recorded that I haven't edited, and some of them may have Athena's Off-Road in them, but like I said, from now on, it's going to be Athena's Garage. I'm not, sure how soon I'll get everything changed, because I'm going to have to make a new I'm going to have to make a new channel banner, a new channel logo, and a new intro. So I may have used the intro in this video. I'm probably just going to keep the same intro, but change the wording in it to Athena's Garage. So this is hopefully just a really short, quick video to explain why the sudden change. This YouTube channel is about 4 years old at this point. I have 828 subscribers, I believe. I think I'm almost at 500,000 views total for the channel, which is pretty nice. So hopefully this explains it if anyone was actually wondering. I doubt you guys were. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I have a couple more videos coming out. So it's actually on this folder here. I just have to have time to edit them. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around for this video. Hopefully it's short. I'm probably already said this. And that's it. Hope you guys have a good day. Let me know if you like the new name. I think it's relative to the content down below in the comments. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Have a good one.